Standard 6th, Subject General Science. Unit 8th, Our Skeletal System and the Skin. Hello students, we are learning about our 8th lesson, Our Skeletal System and the Skin. The skeletal system gives a definite shape to the body. It provides support and protects the delicate organs inside our body. The human skeletal system can be divided into two parts, the axial skeleton, Akshiya Sangada, and the appendicular skeleton, Upanga Sangada. The axial skeleton is made up of the skull, the spine, and the rib cage. These are situated symmetrically along the central vertical axis of the body. अक्षीय सांगाड्यामध्ये कवटी, पाठीचा कणा व छातीच्या पिंजऱ्याचा समावेश होतो. The appendicular skeleton is made up of the bones of the upper and lower limbs, that are arms and legs, on either side of the central axis. उपांग सांगाड्यामध्ये हात व पाय या हाडांचा समावेश होतो. As our body grows, the size and the length of our bones increases. आपल्या शरीराची वाढ होताना हाडांची लांबी व आकार वाढत जातो. Such changes in the size and length can be seen in children according to age. However, the body continues to grow only up to a certain limit. The bones of taller people are longer. Let's learn the information given in the section Do you know? There are 3 bones in each of the ears. Of these, the stirrup is the smallest bone in our body. Stirrup or steps is as small as a grain of rice and it is hollow. Hollow, पोकळ. Its shape is like that of stirrup. Stirrup म्हणजे रिकीब. घोड्यावर स्वार होताना तुम्ही तुमची पावले ज्यावर ठेवता त्या धातूच्या कड्या. In the human body, the longest and strongest bone is the thigh bone or the femur. Femur म्हणजे उर्विका म्हणजे मांडीतील हाड. Next section is Can you recall? Question is Which organ helps us to sense whether something is hot or cold, rough or smooth, etc. We get these sensations due to our skin. The outermost covering of the body is called skin. The skin gives us the sense of touch. It is an important sensory organ of the body. The skin is an important and large organ of all living things. The skin has hair. There are nails on the skin at the tips of the fingers and toes. Let's learn about the structure of the skin. Human skin is made up of 2 main layers. The outermost layer is called epidermis, बाह्य त्वचा. The layer below epidermis is called the dermis. Below the dermis, there is a network of blood vessels and nerve fibers. The subcutaneous layer under this network maintains normal body temperature. The epidermis has various layers. Students, can you tell what happens when we walk or play in the hot sun? When we walk or play in the hot sun, our body temperature increases. At the same time, our skin becomes wet. This is because of sweat. In the skin, there are glands which secrete sweat. They are called sweat glands. आपल्या त्वचेमध्ये असणाऱ्या स्वेट ग्लँड्स म्हणजेच घर्म ग्रंथीमधून घाम त्वचेवर येतो. It helps to reduce the temperature of the body. Our body temperature usually remains constant at approximately 37 degrees Celsius. उन्हामुळे आपल्या शरीराचे तापमान वाढते. हे तापमान 37 अंश सेल्सिअसच्या लेवलला आणण्यासाठी आपल्याला घाम येतो व घामाच्या बाष्पीभवनासाठी लागणारी उष्णता शरीराकडून शोषून घेतली जाते. त्यामुळेच आपल्या शरीराचे तापमान 37°C कायम राखले जाते. ओके, लेट्स लर्न अबाउट फंक्शन्स ऑफ द स्किन. To protect the internal parts of the body like muscles, bones, organ systems, etc. To help preserve the moisture in the body. शरीरातील आर्द्रता म्हणजेच ओलसरपणा राखून ठेवण्यास मदत करणे. सिंथेसायझिंग व्हिटॅमिन ड जीवनसत्वाची निर्मिती करणे. रिलीजिंग स्वेट टू रेग्युलेट बॉडी टेम्परेचर. टू गिव्ह प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द हीट अँड कोल्ड. The skin functions as the sensory organ of touch. Let's learn about melanin. A pigment called melanin is present in the cells of the epidermis. The melanin is synthesized in the certain glands in the skin. The percentage of melanin decides the fairness or darkness of the skin. मेलॅनिनच्या प्रमाणावरून त्वचेचा गोरेपणा किंवा काळेपणा ठरत असतो. द कलर ऑफ द स्किन ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्लायमेट. मेलॅनिन प्रोटेक्ट्स अवर स्किन अँड द इनर पार्ट्स फ्रॉम अल्ट्राव्हायोलेट सन रेज. इट इज मेलॅनिन दॅट डिटरमाइन्स द कलर ऑफ अवर हेअर टू. जेट ब्लॅक हेअर इज ड्यू टू प्युअर मेलॅनिन. ब्राऊन लायटर हेअर इज ड्यू टू sulfur in the melanin, and reddish hair due to iron in the melanin. Students, let's solve the questions given in the section Use your brain power. First question is, which color of the skin will give greater protection from the sun's rays? Yes, the dark color of the skin will give greater protection from the sun's rays because the darker skin contains more amount of melanin. Second question is, how does sweating help to lower the temperature of the body? Students, we have already learnt about this in this video. Next section is observe and discuss. Observe your skin and the skin of your grandmother, grandfather, or any old people in the house. What difference do you notice? Students, the proportion of fat beneath your skin is more. That's why your skin is ताणलेली. As we grow older, the proportion of fat beneath the skin reduces. Due to this, previously taut skin shrinks. सुरकुतणे. This causes wrinkles on the skin of older people. Students, always remember, for the health of our skin, it is important to keep it clean. Discriminating between people based on their skin color is unscientific and wrong. त्वचेच्या रंगावरून भेदभाव करणे हे अशास्त्रीय व गैर आहे. Avoid the temptation of using artificial means of become fair. कृत्रिमरित्या गोरे होण्याचा अट्टहास टाळावा. ओके, बाय स्टुडंट्स.